conversion efficiency, responsivity, and external quantum efficiency are the parameters by which we analyze performance of photodiodes, but these can also be used for optical devices which convert thermal energy into electrical energy. Conversion efficiency is defined as the ratio of output power to the incident power. Output power is electrical power. When we talk about the input power, then it is the input optical power. The second parameter is external quantum efficiency, which is represented as eta, which is equal to number of electron hole pairs generated per second divided by number of incident photons per second. Number of electron hole pairs generated per second is equal to optical current divided by magnitude of charge on a charge carrier, and the number of incident photon is equal to incident optical power divided by power of a single photon, which is equal to Planck's constant into frequency of incident photon. Therefore, we can write external quantum efficiency to be equal to. You have to be very careful when you are dealing with external quantum efficiency. Presently, we are dealing with only those optical devices which convert thermal energy into electrical energy. But when we will study the devices which convert electrical energy into optical energy, there also external quantum efficiency is defined. But there it is defined very differently. So you have to be very clear that external quantum efficiency is defined differently for the devices which convert electrical energy into thermal energy. You should be able to differentiate the parameters as well as to remember the conditions which are beneficial for increasing the different external quantum efficiency. The third parameter is responsivity. Responsivity is defined as generated photocurrent divided by incident optical power. From the expression of external quantum efficiency, we can write generated optical current divided by incident optical power is equal to external quantum efficiency multiplied by magnitude of charge on a charge carrier divided by h nu. Therefore, we can write responsivity to be equal to external quantum efficiency multiplied by magnitude of charge divided by h nu. Both these formulas for responsivity are important. You should keep in mind, even though we are studying photodiode and solar cell only, but these parameters are general and can be used for any other optical device which convert thermal energy into electrical energy.